The operating environment during quarter 3 was more challenging compared to the previous quarters, especially quarter 1 and quarter 2. The quarter was characterized by instability in the macroeconomic environment. Although inflation was within target, the depreciating currency necessitated the Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank of Kenya to adopt a tightening stance in its policy implementation. These conditions filtered into the housing market expectations, influencing the uptake of housing. The increasing interest rates and the depreciating currency were some of the challenges that posed or had implications to the real estate sector during this quarter 3 of 2015.
So we are seeing the parameters that influence the price, both qualitative and quantitative, reflecting that the issue of the size of the house that is put in the market being a critical factor that many people consider when they are going to the market to buy a house. But beyond the size of the house, we also observe that people are looking for other amenities that are associated with the housing, including the location of the house, and this is a key influence on the prices, and also a clear preference to houses that are in a gated community. Of course, pointing to the fact that people are looking for security features of the houses where they're going to live in. Beyond that, we're also looking at parameters that reflect the discerning test of potential home buyers. And here we're looking at the emerging middle class, looking for houses of particular characteristics, and therefore that influencing the demand for those houses and consequently the price that they are willing to pay for in the market. So both the qualitative and quantitative factors influence the price during the quarter, but prominently the size of the house, the location of the house, and the amenities that go with the house that is offered in the market. Now, when it comes to some regional dimensions to housing prices, we are tending to see a focus of demand in houses that are considered to be in the medium, targeting medium income category. And these are houses that are in the range of 10 to 20 million shillings. And this is a pointer to an emerging middle class that is seeking to own homes as opposed to renting. And secondly, this also points to the fact that the high end, in terms of the houses costing more than 25 million, is probably experiencing much more softening than the middle end. That is the one that I've referred to, between 10 to 20 million shillings. And the lower end, that houses that are below 10 million, essentially we are seeing not much movement there, indicating therefore that the supply side is responding more to the demand that is emerging in the middle end of the market.